if you're experiencing the cloud save error 2025 in Overwatch 2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and recover your game data. This guide will help you resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Blizzard website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes, the error may be due to server maintenance or outages. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Overwatch 2 completely and restart it. This can refresh the connection to the cloud save system and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Battle.net, use the scan and repair feature to check for any corrupted game files. This process will fix any issues that might be affecting your cloud save functionality. Step 4. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can lead to issues with cloud saves. Consider resetting your router if necessary. Step 5. Contact support. If the error persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Blizzard's customer support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error in Overwatch 2. If you continue to face issues, don't hesitate to seek help from the community or support.